Graphic design is changing very fast right now, and if you are still designing the same way you did 2 years ago, then you're already behind. So today I'm going to be showing you 5 most powerful AI tools every designer must know how to use in 2026 to save your time and make you create a better content and a better visual. And I bet you some of these tools actually reduce hours of working into minutes. Let's get into it. But before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. I am Oracle, and in this channel I talked about tools about graphics and AI. So the first tool is ChatGPT, and honestly most people know ChatGPT, but they still don't understand what ChatGPT is really meant for. Many people think ChatGPT is just all about chat and asking questions. No, you are using it wrongly. This are more advanced way you can use ChatGPT. You can use it to generate your design idea, content planning, brand concept, generate your YouTube script, generate captions, thumbnail idea. And most powerful aspect of ChatGPT is that ChatGPT can help you with your client's proposal and create brainstorming. So instead of staring at your Photoshop for 1 hour or Corridor for 1 hour trying to get an idea of what you want to do, AI can help you generate direction instantly. And second tool I'm going to be talking about is Canva AI. Many of us have heard about Canva, and we think Canva is for small guys, all these beginner graphic designer, beginner creative. No, Canva is advancing, and it's already been syncing itself to some AI features that is very, very authentic for your work this 2026. Part of what you can use Canva to do is to generate presentations, create social media posts, remove backgrounds, generate images, create videos, and speed up client work massively, especially for beginners and content creators that have no idea in creative. In Nigeria or Africa, who don't have access to laptop or access to some big gears, Canva AI is a very real advantage for you guys. That speed is crazy. And the third one I'm going to be talking about is Adobe Firefly. This tool is changing Photoshop workflow massively. With generative fill, you can expand image, remove objects, generate backgrounds, add elements, and crazy concept quickly. What used to take you 30 minutes to do can take you nothing less than a minute to complete on Adobe Firefly. And this is the scary part of Adobe Firefly. It is getting better almost every day. So the fourth one we're going to be talking about is CapCut AI. If you're a content creator, YouTuber, church media, working for an organization, or social media manager, this tool is a must-have. Very, very important. CapCut now has auto caption, it has AI voice, it has background remover, it has eye correction, it can generate script for yourself, and the last part, it has massive editing features that you won't want to miss out. This is why short form content are exploding on YouTube, because most of these people are using CapCut AI, and the barrier to content creation is getting smaller every year. So the fifth one, which is the last one that I don't want you to miss, this is the last part of this video and it's very important. So this last part is Leonardo AI or Midjourney AI. Leonardo AI or Midjourney AI. This tool is damn crazy. This tool can generate a very high quality images just by using a prompt. And most of the designers you are seeing, most of the designers that are your top designers that you follow on Facebook, on Twitter, on YouTube, they are using this tool massively. Don't let anybody deceive you that AI tools are taking your jobs. They are making it very better. So Midjourney and Leonardo AI is one of the best tools those people are using, and they use it for their thumbnail concept. Have you seen a concept of thumbnail that look like Mr. Beast concept thumbnail and many other thumbnails? These people use these tools. They use it for poster designs. They use it for brand inspiration. They use it for storytelling, visual, advertising, and every other aspect. Now, listen very carefully. AI should not replace your creativity. It should increase your speed. A lot of people are afraid of AI right now, but every major technology change creates fears in the heart of people. The internet did, Photoshop did, Canva did, even smartphone did. The creator that will survive, the creator who will survive are the creator that can quickly adapt to changes, because Client and audience now expect faster delivery, better visual, and more content, and AI helps to meet these demands. So those are 5 AI tools every designer must have this 2026 to get a better workflow, and I assure you should start having one of them right now. So let's discuss which one struck you the most. Comment below. And if you want more video about AI tools, graphic design, content creation, YouTube growth, and creator workflow, subscribe to this channel. More powerful content is coming very soon.